there, Quiz Masters! A huge thank you for coming back to Quiz Wizard. Your return means the world to us, and we're so glad to have you here for more brain-busting fun. Before we jump into the game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for some fun, and don't forget to ring the bell.
Hello, friends! Today, we're going to have a super fun heavy machinery name guessing quiz. This game is really exciting. Soon, you'll see an awesome picture of a piece of heavy machinery, and you'll need to guess what it is within just 3 seconds. Think about it. What do you think this machine does? What could it look like? While you're guessing, you'll also learn about its special abilities. 3 seconds might seem short, but I know you can use your knowledge to ace this quiz. After the game, make sure to tell us in the comments how many you got right. Sharing your score with friends will make it even more fun, right? Alright. Are you ready to start the heavy machinery quiz? Let's go! What is this heavy equipment? Excavator. Used for digging large holes in earth removal. What is this heavy equipment? Crane. Used for lifting and moving heavy objects. What is this heavy equipment? Bulldozer. Used for pushing soil or materials and leveling ground. What is this heavy equipment? Paver. Used for paving or leveling roads. What is this heavy equipment? Loader. Used for loading and transporting materials. What is this heavy equipment? Mixer. Used for mixing and What is this heavy equipment? Roller. Used for compacting and leveling road surfaces. What is this heavy equipment? Tractor. Used in agriculture for tilling and harvesting crops. What is this heavy equipment? Harvester. Equipment used for harvesting crops. What is this heavy equipment? Dump truck. A large truck used for transporting materials. What is this heavy equipment? skid steer. Used for loading and moving materials in tight spaces. What is this heavy equipment? Backhoe. Used for digging deep holes or removing materials. What is this heavy equipment? Compactor. Used for producing concrete in large quantities. What is this heavy equipment? Aerial work platform. Equipment that helps work at heights. What is this heavy equipment? Water tank truck. Used for transporting or supplying water. What is this heavy equipment? Drill machine truck. It is applied in various industries including construction, mining, and water resources. What is this heavy equipment? Telehandler. Used for lifting and moving materials. What is this heavy equipment? Crusher. Used for breaking large materials into smaller pieces. What is this heavy equipment? Tire loader. A loader equipped with tires for various tasks. What is this heavy equipment? Chip spreader. Used for spreading material evenly on roads. Thank you all for watching till the